Hello dear students, welcome to a new video today. Today we will discuss about the NITI Aayog, the formation of NITI Aayog and the members and functions of NITI Aayog. So let's start the video. What is NITI? NITI stands for the National Institution for Transforming India, and it is a policy making think tank of Government of India. It aims to make economic policies for India, and government announced the formation of NITI Aayog on 1st January 2015. So after 2015 NITI Aayog came into existence. Before that the planning commission was there and it was making the economic policies, but after 2015 there is NITI Aayog. And who are the members? The Prime Minister of India is the chairperson of NITI Aayog, and there is a governing council which consists of the chief ministers of all the states and lieutenant governors of the union territories. And also there is a regional council which consists of the chief ministers of all states and also the lieutenant governors of all the union territories. Then there is a full-time organizational framework which consists of the chairperson, who is the Prime Minister himself, and the vice chairperson, and two full-time members are there in the full-time organizational framework. Then the part-time members. Who are the part-time members? The part-time members are on the rotational basis. Maximum number of 2 members should be there, and they are from the leading universities or research organization or other relevant organizations. Then comes the ex officio members. Maximum number of 4 members of the Union Council of the Ministers. They should be nominated by the Prime Minister. Then a chief executive officer is there, and he should be appointed by the Prime Minister for a fixed tenure, and he should be in the rank of secretary to the Government of India. So this is all about the members. Then the functions of the NITI Aayog. The functions of the NITI Aayog are policy and strategy formulation. So NITI Aayog creates strategies and frameworks to guide countries' development across various sectors. So it makes economic policies and different strategies for the development of India. Then the coordination. It promotes coordination, the cooperative federalism, by bringing all the states and union territories and the central government together for policy making, planning and implementation. So there is a great role of the states and the union territories in policy making and implementing. So it promotes the cooperation and coordination between the state government and the central government. Then the research and innovation. It undertakes research to provide technical assistance to the government and work on developing best practices for governance. So it undertakes research for the best practices in the governance. Then monitoring and evaluation. It not only formulates the policies, it also tracks the processes of various policies to ensure transparency in government functioning. So it monitors and tracks the processes in every step of the implementation. Then it also undertakes some special project. It manages some special initiatives such as aspirational district program and digital transformation program and efforts like Digital India. It also undertakes some special projects for the development of the country. This is all about the functions of the NITI Aayog. We will discuss the difference between the Planning Commission and the NITI Aayog in my next video. This is all for today. Thank you.